welcome to Tech Yeah. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, leave a comment, or even share it on Twitter, or whatever you want to do. Today I've got an unboxing of the 011 Dynamic from Lian. I chose this case because I wanted to hide an ugly power supply. They no longer sell the one that I wanted, made by Sonic, the Snow Silent. Now it's a little bit different, and the design I don't think is as pretty. Right on top, this is the first thing that you get is a thank you from Lian. You know what? We'll just open it from both ends and push it through. Man, this sucker's big. Ugh. Yeah, this thing is huge. I need to do a side-by-side comparison. So excited. I have been shopping for a good case for quite some time, and I was very undecided until a certain YouTuber reviewed this case, and I was sold. Try not to get fingerprints on it. Just for direct comparison, I have a Diablotech case. Yeah, Diablotech. This is my Frankenstein case. It's heavy too. You can see there's a little bit of difference between that nasty sucker and this nice clean one. Look at how fat she is. I just checked inside the box, and these are the only two things that you get item-wise. The rest of it is packing foam, and that's really it. However, they are sneaky. They have hidden putting your extra parts in here. Oh, we do have a little manual. And what is this? That is a big piece of rubber. I have no idea what that's for. Big old thick guy manual. How many languages is this in? It looks like English and Chinese. That's all you get. There's no French. Well, there may be a little. Well, there's a little bit of German in here. Oh yes. One thing that the reviewers that I've seen didn't say anything about, these are metal right here. So I really hate fingerprints, and to get the glass off, I've got some gloves that were included with my Veta frame for my mining rig. And I'm going to be putting the glass where it can't get damaged. Yeah, I don't know if this part's important to y'all either, but it has little bitty kind of standoffs that just slide into the grooves. That is a cool feature. Then this part, I've seen them take it off. Oh, it's nice and weighty too. This is very thick glass. Very thick. And it looks like, yeah, do believe it's got film on both sides of the glass. Now let's see if I can kind of get it where you can see it right there. I got an internal layer of film for a little extra protection, or maybe just fingerprints. Front panel looks to be the same way. It's got film on both sides. A little protective rubber layer. Keep dirt out. It's got the little standoffs so it can slide in and out. And at the bottom it's got tabs. Now this case only ran me $140. Now, back in 2018, I got the Meshify case, and it had one of these, and I really liked it. It was easy to service. Has magnets on all sides. Take it off, clean it out. Alright, now that I'm done with the glass, I'll go back to just my regular hands again. So that slid around and shipping a little bit. I'll be keeping this side of the operation. My plan is fans on the bottom, fans on the top. This is the hard drive mounting bar. Has a little screw down at the bottom, 2 thumb screws on top. And it's got all the rubber mounts for one SSD, then one HDD. I assume you can change it up depending on exactly what you have. Then we have our nice cable bundle. It's nice that they give you some strapping points right there and there, so that you can really tuck your cables in and hide them. But it's also got this unique feature. It looks like it's just for generally mounting a slew of wires. It's huge. Alright, to start off with the cables that come with the case, here's our USB 3.1 Type C. Then we have our power switch, HDD LED, and power LED. Here we have the HD audio and our USB 3.0. Alright, so after perusing the booklet that was provided, I actually thought that covers came for right here, but there are no covers that come with this. If you want to block off this section, you're going to need to find your own way. I was also under the assumption that it came with the vertical GPU mount. And it says right here, it is optional. So, we're going to have to buy that separately. And we may end up just going with another vendor for that.